Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As a psychology professor, I often talk about theories and studies. But today I want to talk about something far more immediate, something that touches millions of lives right here in the UK. I'm talking about mental health. Did you know that 1 in 4 of us will experience a mental health problem each year? That's not just a statistic. It's our friends, our family, our colleagues, and sometimes it's us. The numbers are staggering, but behind each number is a real person with a real story. A story of struggle, but also a story of incredible resilience. This is where organizations like Mental Health UK come in. They aren't just about raising awareness. They are on the front lines, providing tangible support that changes lives. Imagine a young person struggling with anxiety, feeling completely isolated, who then finds a local peer support group run by Mental Health UK. Suddenly, they're not alone. They're surrounded by people who get it, who can share coping strategies and offer a hand of friendship. This isn't just support, it's a lifeline. Or think about the new parent battling postnatal depression, feeling overwhelmed and unable to cope. Mental Health UK offers advice services and resources that help them navigate these incredibly tough times, providing practical steps and a listening ear. They empower people to understand their conditions and reclaim their lives. They also work tirelessly to support carers, the unsung heroes who are often dealing with immense pressure themselves. From employment support that helps people with mental health conditions find and stay in work, to community services that combat loneliness, their impact is profound and multifaceted. They are building a society where mental health is treated with the same importance as physical health. This work is not just admirable, it's essential. As we continue this conversation, it's vital to remember that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. If you or someone you know is struggling, please know that support is available. I'll leave links to Mental Health UK and other brilliant resources in the description below. Thank you for watching and for being part of this important conversation. Please share this video to help spread the word about the incredible work being done. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As a psychology professor, I spend a lot of time discussing theories and studies. But today I want to talk about something incredibly real and impactful right here in the UK. Did you know that 1 in 4 people in the UK will experience a mental health problem each year? That's not just a statistic. That's our friends, our family, our colleagues, and maybe even ourselves. So, how does an organization like Mental Health UK actually make a difference on the ground? It's not just about awareness campaigns. They provide practical, life-changing support, from peer groups where people can share their experiences without judgment to providing crucial advice on housing and employment. This is where psychology meets action, transforming lives by building a supportive community and offering tangible help when it's needed most. We'll dive deeper next time. Thanks for watching.